Okay students, listen up. Today we are not just doing math, we are entering the arena of the Junior International Logic Olympiad, that is the JILO. Now don't let the name scare you. JILO is not just about memorizing the boring formulas that you will forget by lunch. It's a global competition designed to see how your brain handles the chaos. Okay, and it tests the lateral thinking, the pattern recognition, and your ability to not get tricked by the simple wording. Okay, if you can solve a GILO problem, you are basically a detective in training. Okay, so let's look at our question first. The question is asking, a few students are standing in a queue at the ice cream store. So Abe is in the center of the line and Sarah is 3 places in front of her and Ellie is 4 places behind Sarah and Kyla is 2 places in front of Ellie. Then how many students are in the queue? Okay, so we will solve this together now. Just give me a second. Yeah. So look at our students. We have Abby, we have Sarah, Ellie, and Kyla. Okay, so they are at an ice cream shop, probably waiting for a triple chocolate logic crunch. Okay, and the problem is asking, Abby is in the center of the line, Sarah is 3 places is in front of her, and Ellie is 4 places behind Sarah, and Kyla is 2 places in front of Ellie. And the mission, how many people are in this line? Is it a party or a crowd? Now before we solve it, let's talk about the trap. Okay, now in logic we often don't know where someone is, but we know where they are compared to someone else. So this is called the relative positioning. Okay, always pick one person to be your anchor. If you don't have an anchor, you are just drifting at sea without a paddle or a ice cream. Okay, so let's use Abby as our anchor. Let's pretend the line is a giant ruler. Okay, so let's place Abby at 0 for a moment. Okay, now Sarah is 3 places in front of Abby. So 0 plus 3 is what? Position plus 3. Sarah is ahead. Okay, and Ellie is 4 places behind Sarah. So Sarah is at plus 3. Right. Sarah is at plus 3. Okay, so if Ellie is 4 behind her, so we will go 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Right, wait, that means Ellie is actually 1 place behind Abby. Right, and Kyla is 2 places in front of Ellie. So Ellie is at minus 1, so if Kyla is at 2 in front, so we will go minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1. So Kyla is 1 place in front of Abby, right? Now think of the queue like a number line. In front is positive and behind is negative. So it's just integers disguised as hungry children. Okay, now let's look at our map relative to Abby. Sarah is 3 places away ahead. So she is the furthest ahead we know of. And is anyone further back? Let's check. Ellie is 1 place behind Abby. But wait, if Sarah is 3 places in front of Abe and Abe is the center, so there must be exactly 3 people behind Abe too, right? So if the center person is at position number n and there are x people in front of them, so there must be x people behind them. So total people will be what? Total people will be people in front plus the center person plus people in back. Okay, so this is 3 plus 1 plus 3, that is 7. So there are basically 7 students in line. Okay, enough for a small soccer team, but just enough to make the guy behind the counter sweat. Okay, so why did we care about the Kyla and Ellie? To distract you. In JILO, sometimes they give you extra flavor that you don't actually need to find the total length of the cone. Okay, so if I talk about Sarah, 3 in front of Abe, okay, and Kyla, 2 in front of Ellie, and 1 behind plus 2, that is 1 in front of Abe, okay, and the farthest person in the front is Sarah, 3 places ahead. Okay, and if Abe is the center and the line extends at least 3 people in front, it must extend 3 places behind to keep her in the center. Okay, so total count is what? 3 front plus 1 middle plus 3 back, that is 7 students. Okay, so we have just solved a classic question from the Junior International Logic Olympiad. In the next session, we will solve more questions for this examination. Okay, so that will be very beneficial for you. Don't miss that out. Okay, so see you in the next session. Bye bye.